Good morning, children. Today we are going to study ICSE Mathematics 1. So, children, today classwork chapter 8 measurement pages 120-121. Open the page 120. Tick write the heavier one in each set. See first, heavier. See, children, telephone, left side telephone and flip. So you know uh, a telephone is heavier than a clip. So you tick telephone. Okay. Next B. See first, crayon and book. See, crayon and book. So you see, book is a book is heavier than a pencil crayon. So you tick book. Next, see, cake, small cake and big cake. See here. So big, you see, heavier, big and heavier. So right side is heavier than a left side cake. So you tick right side cake. Okay. See next picture, crab and octopus. So you tick octopus. Next, write heavy or light. Okay. Number 8. See, left side picture. Left side picture. Heavy. So you write heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. See, right side picture. So you will write here light. Light. See, peacock and right side small bird. So peacock heavy. Right side picture light. Bat heavy. So you write here heavy. Ball light. See, apple, left side apple heavy. So much apple. See here. See, many apples. So I write here heavy. And right side light. Okay. Next page, capacity. Capacity of an object is an amount it can hold. So see first a jug. A jug can hold, see here, 3 glasses of water. A jug can hold 3 glasses of water. So we can also write it as follows. A jug holds more water than a glass. Obviously, more water than a glass. A glass holds less water than a jug. Okay, so children, see here another example. A kettle. Okay, see, a kettle can hold 5 cups of milk. See, 5 cups of milk. So we can also write it as follows. What? A kettle holds more milk than a cup. A cup holds less milk than a kettle. Okay. Now children, number 8. In each set, tick the object that can hold more. So see children, 2 object is here. Bottle, bucket. You know children, a bucket holds more water than a bottle. So you tick bucket. See, bowl and plate. B. Bowl, big bowl. See, and plate. So big bowl, anything you keep anything, you keep water. Okay, you put water. So a big bowl holds more water than a plate. Hold more. You see, hold more. You object. You tick right. Okay. So you tick right this object. See here, spoon. Big spoon, small spoon. Obviously, big spoon holds more than something water, something thick, some things are small spoon. Anything you milk, a big spoon holds more milk than a small spoon. So you take big spoon. Okay. Next D, also same. Big glass, small cup. Big glass. Okay. See here, big glass. So a glass holds more milk than a cup. Okay. So tick glass. I just example more milk or water. So I hope everyone understood this page 121. So children, heavy, light you practice, capacity also practice. Okay. Now children, take out your school diary, write your homework, chapter 8, pages 120 121. I hope everyone understood heavy or light, capacity also. So practice nicely.